What's going on, family? Wagwan. Welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. Once again, it's me, Anisha, and today's video is from another popular artist, or should I say artist. This time it's a duet. So the video that I will be reacting to today is from the one and only Shaka Demus and Pliers. Go and get your flyers. You see me? So I want to say a big thank you to the persons who took the time out to like and actually watch my videos. My video, the first one that I uploaded with Beanie Man. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it, and I'll be doing my best to put out the videos as soon as I can. You know, mom life, thug life. You see me? So without further ado, guys, I'm going to get into this video with you guys. So watch it and enjoy yourself as much as I'll be watching it and enjoying it. Okay, let's do this.
Now this one dedicated to the girl with the angel face and the devil heart. You know, so
but a Colleen that me just see a while ago, dancehall queen Colleen in another video, yeah. Oh, no, remember me did I telling about the fashion them back in the 80s them or the 90s, yeah. So look on the woman suit and tell me now. Tell me now. Tell me say you couldn't put that on a Christmas tree. Tell me. Talk to me. Go back to the video.
I'm a fit Shaka Demus and you can't players come to deal with the case. Step up my youth, hear this.
I know this little girl, her name is Maxine. Her beauty's like a bunch of roses. If I
Yo, them a woman ya full up of jewelry to bomba. They ain't afraid of people rob them.
ever tell you about Maxine, you older say I don't know what I know, but murder she wrote.
Real.
Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote.
Action with him, a pretty face and bad character. Them the kind of living can hold.
Yeah, the man say a pretty face and bad character. Them the kind of living can hold chaka. That remind me of so, you know, remember when you used to go to school and there was this face girl, like a pretty girl at school, but she was a total bitch. Memories. Alright, enough about me. Back to the video.
Follow me, a pretty face and bad character. Them the kind of living can hold chaka. Say girl you pretty, your face it pretty, but your character dirty. Girl you just a act too flirty. You run to Tom Dick and also Harry.
Stop, run to Tom, Dick, and Harry. And when you find out your mistake, you talk about no sorry. Stop it. Ladies, stop it.
When you find your mistake, you talk about your sorry. Come now.
Have a cozy corner where she jokes and where she jam. She know about the look like an every money man. Make love with the cool Chinese, white man and Indian. The wickedest kind of girl, them is a flyers go.
Why them a woman ya go on so? Why them a woman ya dress so? Huh? Why? Calm down, girls. Calm down.
Up and down, do you heard about this girl? Her name is Maxine. Her beauty's like a bunch of roses. And if I ever tell you about Maxine, you older say I don't know what I know, but murder she wrote.
Murderation man.
Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Na. Murder she wrote.
Watch her now stand still. You not pay me like bill. If you test a ragamuffin, girl, you go and get killed. Girl, keep wait. Cause you a crebe. And the lyrics say me
What Chaka did say a while ago? Yeah, crebe. What that? Yeah.
talker if me DJ girl come out. Because you nah shock out. When you hear the ragamuffin, you fi jump and shout.
Girl, come out, cause you not shock out.
Touch me gate. You not pay me what I read. The car great is great. You angry. Follow me. You pretty face and bad character. Them the kind of living can hold chaka. Follow me. You pretty face and bad character. Them the kind of living can hold chaka. Say girl you pretty, you face it pretty, but your character dirty. Girl you just a act too flirty. You run to Tom Dick and also
Stop
Harry.
go at
And when
Tom,
you
Dick
find your
and Harry.
mistake, you talk about your sorry.
However, make a
Stop, go at Tom, Dick, and Harry. And go give the man jacket. Stop it.
this young girl have a passion for the cool white man Indian makes it feel an infant. And just the other day, me see her 6 months pregnant. Now she back for sweet again with not a baby in a prom. Do you heard about?
What? Grow up. Wait, rewind. Sitting about baby in a pram, what? Yo, come on, thing. Talk about baby in a pram sitting. When me I go through the lyrics, Me a sitting about baby in a prom and man. Well, and when me go back, when me there go review the lyrics, then I'll get back to it. Continue.
Oh, this girl, her name is Maxine. Her beauty's like a bunch of roses. And if I ever tell you about Maxine, you would say I don't know what.
Yo, I can just imagine when this song was released and it was being played in the dance and the tune bust. The whole crowd mash up. All and pull up. Yo, ploop, 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 ploop. All and pull up. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Rewind 1 million times. You see?
I know, but murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. No, no, no. Murder she wrote.
Excuse me.
Alright, as old as I am now, I do remember dancehall queen Carlene. I do remember her. And even now, she is still considered the queen of dancehall. Up to now, I still remember this lady. Carlene, big up yourself.
Ragamuffin Chaka, they must come to flash it same way. Oh, follow me. Your pretty face and bad character. Them the kind of living can hold Chaka. Follow me. Your pretty face and bad character. Them the kind of living can hold Chaka. So girl,
Yo, and see Chaka D must have bust on jump here like girl was.
you're pretty, your face ain't pretty, but your character dirty. Girl, you just act too flirty. You run to come thick and also happy. And when you find your mistake, you're going to
Yo, when
look
you wash
sexy.
it, was it dirty that no wash?
The girl a bounce and a brag on she look ready. When she wash her clothes,
Girl, you not ready if you can't wash for me. You wash and your clothes still dirty. Then you know wash.
wash
You know wash,
girl, you not
girl.
ready. If you know you're pretty, follow me. Your pretty face and bad character. Them the kind of living can hold Chaka. Follow me now. Your pretty face and bad character. Them the kind of living can hold Chaka. So stand still. You not pay me like
Murder she wrote. Big tune. Pew, 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 pew. Yo, big tune. I enjoyed this a lot. I thoroughly enjoyed this, guys. Thoroughly enjoyed this. And if you guys enjoyed it as well, and you like the throwback vibe, I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. So that's it, guys, for this video. Chaka Demus and Pliers, Murder She Wrote. Glad you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys had fun. And I'll be going into the lyrics of this song so we can have another discussion about the lyrics of this song. You see me? We're not going to just listen song around here. We are going to go into the lyrics of this song around here. You see me? So, like, subscribe, share, like again, guys. Comment in the section below. Tell me what you guys would like me to do a review next, if you guys would like to do that. And thank you guys again for stopping by. Thank you guys again. Me can't have said thank you because I really appreciate it. I really do. So, once again, Chaka Demus and Pliers, Murder She Wrote, a murder. So, see you guys in the next video. And I'm Anisha. Thank you guys again for stopping by. Thank you. And see you in the next video, guys. Once again, I'm out.